Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best mini PCs that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Geekom A7, featuring the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, is a compact yet powerful computing device. The Ryzen 9 7940HS comes with 8 cores and 16 threads, utilizing a 4nm process and Zen 4 architecture, reaching clock speeds up to 5.2 GHz. This provides a significant performance boost of up to 30% compared to the Ryzen 7 7735HS. The device is equipped with 32GB of DDR5 dual-channel memory and offers storage options of either 1TB or 2TB M.2 PCIe 4.04 NVMe SSD, ensuring fast and efficient data handling. In terms of graphics, the AMD Radeon 780M, featuring 12 compute units clocked at 2800 MHz, delivers performance comparable to a NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti and supports external graphics card expansion via USB 4.0. This makes it suitable for graphics-intensive tasks such as gaming and 3D rendering. Networking capabilities are robust with a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity. The mini PC supports 8K displays and multiple monitors, enhancing its versatility for both professional and entertainment use. Other notable features include a sleek and compact design, the Windows 11 Pro operating system, and a range of connectivity options including 4K capable video outputs, USB 4, and Bluetooth 5.3. The design, featuring a premium aluminum build and an effective cooling system, ensures efficient heat management. Overall, the Geekom A7 is a high-performance versatile device capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and everyday productivity applications, making it a competitive choice in the mini PC market. The Minisforum UM790 Pro is a high-performance mini PC featuring the AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that can boost up to 5.2 GHz, complementing its powerful processor. The UM790 Pro includes AMD Radeon 780M graphics, making it suitable for gaming and content creation tasks. The device supports dual-channel DDR5 memory, expandable up to 64GB, and offers up to 2TB of PCIe 4.0 storage, providing ample space and speed for demanding applications. Connectivity options are robust, with 2 USB 4 ports, supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, supporting up to 4K at 144 Hz, and a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port. Wireless connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The UM790 Pro's compact dimensions make it an ideal choice for small spaces, and its quiet operation adds to its appeal for home or office use. The mini PC is designed for versatility, making it suitable for a variety of tasks such as gaming, productivity work, and home entertainment. It supports up to 4 displays simultaneously, enhancing multitasking and immersive experiences. The cooling system, featuring air inlets on the sides and bottom, a rear heat dissipation vent, and the Cold Wave 2.0 liquid gold cooling system, ensures stable operation and prevents overheating. In summary, the Minisforum UM790 Pro offers a powerful combination of processing power, graphics capability, and extensive connectivity in a compact, quiet, and stylish package. Its impressive performance, versatile usage scenarios, and efficient design make it a standout option for users seeking a space-efficient yet powerful mini PC. The Apple Mac Mini M2 is a compact powerhouse, featuring an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, a 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This configuration delivers significant performance and efficiency, suitable for a range of tasks from everyday computing to demanding creative projects. The M2 chip also includes a media engine for hardware-accelerated encoding and decoding of H.264, HEVC, ProRes, and ProRes RAW, enhancing its capability for professional video editing. Users can configure the Mac Mini with unified memory options ranging from 8GB to 32GB and SSD storage from 256GB to 8TB, ensuring flexibility to meet different needs. The device supports up to 2 displays simultaneously via Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI port, with resolutions up to 6K and 5K respectively, making it ideal for multi-monitor setups. The macOS operating system provides a robust and user-friendly interface with advanced features and accessibility options. The Mini PC is designed with environmental considerations, incorporating recycled materials and energy-efficient features. Its connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, Gigabit Ethernet, upgradable to 10 gigabits, and a headphone jack. The M2 chip's efficiency ensures quiet operation even under heavy loads, making it suitable for both home and professional environments. Overall, the Apple Mac Mini with the M2 chip combines powerful performance, versatile connectivity, and environmentally conscious design in a compact desktop form factor. The Geekom Mini IT13 is a compact yet powerful mini PC, equipped with the latest 13th Gen Intel Core processors. It offers 3 processor options, catering to different performance needs. The device features Intel Iris Xe graphics, boasting 96 execution units, which enhances its capability for gaming, content creation, media playback, and entry-level VR, supporting multiple displays. For memory, the Mini IT13 comes with 16GB of RAM for the i5 variant and 32GB for the i7 and i9 variants, all of which are upgradable up to 64GB DDR4 RAM. Storage options include a 512GB SSD for the i5 model and a choice between 1TB or 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSDs for the i7 and i9 models, also upgradable. The Geekom Mini IT13 excels in connectivity with 2 USB 4 ports, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports. It also supports Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the Mini IT13 offers a modern, efficient operating system experience. Its compact size makes it ideal for space-constrained environments. This mini PC is designed with a sturdy plastic case and metal frame and features active cooling to maintain optimal performance. The device is versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as a home office PC, media center, or digital signage. Its easy upgrade options for storage and RAM, combined with its powerful performance, make it capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing, gaming, and multitasking. The Mini IT13 perfectly blends power, connectivity, and a sleek design, making it a top choice for users seeking a compact yet high-performance computing solution. The Beelink SER5 Max is a powerful compact computer featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor. This CPU boasts 8 cores and 16 threads, with a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz and the ability to boost up to 4.4 GHz, delivering robust performance for demanding tasks. It has a thermal design power of 54 watts, ensuring good sustained performance. The device comes in configurations with 16GB or 32GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 64GB, and offers storage options of 500GB or 1TB NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD. Graphics are handled by integrated AMD Radeon graphics with 8 cores running at 2000 MHz, making it suitable for light gaming and multimedia playback, including 4K videos at 60 Hz. The Mini PC supports Windows 11, ensuring a modern and efficient operating system experience. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable wireless connectivity and supports triple display setups via HDMI ports, DisplayPorts, and Type-C ports. The Beelink SER5 Max has a compact and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for users who need a powerful mini PC for multitasking, office work, and light gaming. It's also suitable for content creators needing a system for basic video editing and photo manipulation. An advanced cooling system, including a system fan for the memory, SSD, and HDD alongside the original CPU cooling fan, ensures stable operation and prevents overheating during prolonged use. With a range of interfaces including 2 HDMI cables, a VESA mount, and 1 USB 2.0 port, the Beelink SER5 Max offers impressive performance in a space-efficient package. Its balance between configuration and price makes it a recommended choice for users seeking a versatile and powerful desktop solution.